everyone, so we just left Shanghai and we're on our way to Chengdu now. We're on the fast train, but it's still gonna take 11 hours.
11 hours on this train.
Cool because we have beds here, so instead of seats we have little beds, so if you want to lay down you can, and there's a little TV. It's nice. So you know when you're eating Pringles and you can't get the Pringles out? Look at this. This is so innovative. Pringles needs to step their game up because Lay's is coming to get them. So we were wondering what these things on the wall were, and we just figured it out. They're steps so that you can get up onto the top bunk. Look at this. Magic. And a couple hours later, we were there. We just got to our hotel in Chengdu and I want to show you all around because I'm blown away. It looks awesome. So when you come in, there's the bathroom. Got a nice toilet and a shower. And then when you come in here, this is the bed. And then over here, check out the sink. Look at that. It's just so nice. I'm so excited. So we're about to go in here and have barbecue for dinner. You want to be in it? Lots of food later, we finally headed back to the hotel to get some sleep. And that was the end of day 1/2 of our trip to China. Thanks for watching. See you next time.